Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust monitor brightness on SONY ZV-E10 II. To do that, you have to turn on your camera, then open menu. In menu, you're gonna have to scroll left to the sidebar, then scroll down to setup. Here, you'll find monitor. Now, in monitor, go to brightness, and now select manual and select brightness using these values below. And if you want some extra brightness, you can select sunny weather mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.